and welcome to Marathon in Greece next to the Aegean Sea. Today we are welcoming Chef Spyros and his assistant Christina for a cooking masterclass.
On the menu, a Greek salad and watches.
The team's actually hungry, so let's start cooking.
Kalispera. What is the first thing that a foreigner is doing when he's sitting on a Greek restaurant? He's ordering a Greek salad.
Of course.
Today, we are going to show you how to prepare an original and very tasty salad. First thing is the quality of the tomato, because the base of the Greek salad is the tomato. So we like to choose organic, smelling very good. Now, in Greece, we cut the tomato in big pieces. Suzanne, please, I need your help. I can tell you that you cut this. Okay, you turn it. You cut this. Yes, and after you try to follow 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. Some people is peeling the tomatoes. Some other people leave them with the outside. If I see that the tomato outside is quite like a plastic, it's not this, depending on the quality, I take it out. So perfect, very good. And now step by step start the season of tomato, and Greece is plenty of good quality. Now, there are different olives in Greece, many varieties. We like this one that is from island of Thassos. The appearance is not very good, but the taste is very full. So we like here to give a full taste of everything. I mean, very good Oregon, very good, very tasty capers, let's say, the feta cheese. Now, I like to have an order, meaning that first I put the tomatoes here, okay. Now, peppers and onions. Somebody likes them, somebody dislikes them. So I like to cut them as rings. So if somebody wants to remove them, he can remove them and take the others. Allissa, please.
And this cut is nice. I mean, it's like design.
Like a design. So if you want, you can take like this out. Okay. If not, you continue and make the pieces. Yes. Yes. Okay. You place them in different corners, like this, look. Now, something that is a little bit not very likely to this, please. Jordy?
Yeah.
Somebody will cry today, somebody will cry.
I'm going to close my eyes.
I'm going to cut the onion like this. Why? Because after that, if somebody doesn't like onion, he can remove it very easy. Okay. So you cut it, you make it like this, and you leave it together with the peppers, okay? Thank you.
Oh my God, I feel the pressure. So.
It's okay, it's 2023, it's okay to cry.
Marie, please. Green with green. Okay, and green watch, eh? Oh. So here, perfect. We like this quality that are small, are very tasty, they are from Creta. And some people is cleaning, is peeling everything. Some people is not peeling. We like to do in the middle, okay? So I'm making like this. So I'm leaving a little bit, is organic, is very tasty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it okay like this?
I believe yes, it's perfect. So again, I like to cut in 4 pieces, and after that, depending on the taste, we make it like this. And so please, 4. Excellent. That's green. Now it's time, my assistant Christina, to come here and to finish with tomatoes. Okay. Good. Sophie, please. Come here for the difficult part. Okay. We have capers, yes. Now, here in Marathon, there is opposite to us, east, there is a very long island, we call it Evia. But after that, the next island is Andros. This is the Cyclades, Andros, Tinos, Mykonos. So, caper is from Andros. There's plenty of these bushes with capers, so everything is local and everything is from the area except the capers and this. All these aromatics are from the area. Now it's time to put like this the green, the cucumbers. Okay. Now, I want you to take this with hands like this.
Ah, the finishing touch.
The finishing touch, okay. Perfect, perfection. Now, we will put oregano. We use organic oregano. It's from the mountain here. We like to put little salt, but usually I'm not placing so much salt because we have the feta cheese that is quite salty. Now, the original feta cheese is 70% sheep and 30% goat. Okay, so this is actually from the area. Now, I would like to place the cheese, and after I will put pepper and olives. So in the end, like to change the color. So I make a generous pieces. Me, I like to be generous. This, you know. So
Okay.
yes. Okay, just place them.
Looks like a watch dial.
Yes.
Yeah, almost.
Please, can you tell me the time?
Salad o'clock.
It's salad o'clock, so it is.
Definitely lunchtime. There's 20 to 1.
Okay, it's 20 to 1. So we'll put the 12.
Yes.
No, here is. This is the right time.
Oh, yeah.
For salad. Now, I like to put olives and peppers.
Can I do that?
A volonté. Yes, or however, there are no rules. Be generous.
Put everything. Yeah.
Perfect.
So, Spyros, what you're telling us is that there are really no fixed rules for a Greek salad.
Yes.
The fresh ingredients are key, but apart from that,
The inspiration is for whom you are cooking. And here is time. We're doing sometimes like this.
Oh, can I do that?
Yes. Yes, yes.
but Spyros, that's amazing what you told us, that Greek salad is about quality materials, kind of like watchmaking. And we are surrounded by time.
Exactly. So I like oregano on the top. Now, the most important thing for a Greek salad, I believe, is olive oil. We are a country that has maybe, they said, the best olive oil. So this is from a friend. It is organic. And every time I go there, I taste, because every year olive oil is not the same. You don't say I get Italian or Greek or this. The real question is from where you pick the olive. Look, me, I like to swim in olive oil. You know. But I have forgotten something. Pepper. This is not compulsory, this is not this, but I like when I have my feta cheese. Le voilà!
Voila! Ta-da!
That's the original Greek salad. Okay, so thank you.